that small business and trying to figure out how to take it that next step from being an owner-operator. It's been really valuable to learn more the business side of things.
The owners of this place are awesome. I just got so many ideas of, oh, I should be doing that, or a lot of stuff to improve my business.
Of all of the trade shows I've been to, and I've been to all of the big ones, this one is going to be the one that I take the most from.
I mean, I would say to definitely do it, especially if you have or even haven't gone to some of the bigger conferences. It feels way more approachable, and it just feels, it's got that like Midwest laid back vibe for sure.
A minimal cost to be here. They feed you. Lunch was awesome. I mean, and great people. Everybody shares. I've got a lot of contacts through this, so I wouldn't hesitate. If this was next year and it's in Texas, I would consider going, you know.
My goal with all of this was really to learn how to grow my business. Today's day one, and I've already gotten so much out of it.
It's just motivating to know that we're not alone, and it was worth every penny in my mind, and I can't honestly wait to come back.